Shh. Oh my god, that's so cool! We got the best view in the house.
The damn people running. Look at the kids running.
Are they? Aww.
Could you imagine being semi-close to that and not knowing they were going to go off?
I know.
Scaring the shit out of me.
I know. Those poor kids.
What kids?
There was a bunch of kids down in one of the spots that went running. Yay!
Why aren't there more people in their windows? Look at all these closed windows.
Oh, they're missing the fun.
Of course, they may be down there.
That's true. They
We're
might.
kind of
They
the
might.
daddies.
I know. We're the ones that went to bed early. They might actually all be down in the park.
I always wanted to see fireworks from like an airplane.
Oh,
Well, this is
that
pretty
must
damn
be
close.
interesting.
But you know what I mean? Like flying over them. Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Those are cool.
Oh, those are neat. They look like they're bouncing off of each other. Someone was saying that 31 was sponsoring the fireworks at the baseball game today. That they were going to be pink and white fireworks at the baseball game. The one that Scott was throwing the ball out at.
That would have been fun to go to, really. We should have gone.
Woohoo! Must be the finale. Yay!
It's like that old school computer game where you had to like keep your paddle flat and the ball would bounce off and go.
Oh,
to the
what was
top.
that called?
It was called
Was that Pong?
Pong.
We're a bunch of dorks.
I had that game.
So did I.
This was just on like a. It was just a arcade game CD. It didn't have like a.
I actually had the game, and it was on a black and white TV.
Was it on your Atari?
I had an Atari. Oh, I guess that wasn't the finale. Still going. Oh, those are neat.
I bought a bunch of fireworks in Illinois and Indiana on the drive-thru, and we lit them off in front. They're illegal in Ohio.
Oh, really?
Like they're okay for stuff like this. but
Yeah, because
you
it's.
cannot personally own them and shoot them off.
Oh, see, we can in Alabama.
There's too much farmland.
Well, we have farmland down by us too, but it rains a lot.
I am loving those ones that look like they're pinging off of stuff.
Look how wide that one's going. It's like stretching out. That is
But they're
craziness.
huge down there.
Look at that thing. That is awesome.
He's down there lighting that shit by hand. See, he's got a damn.
I wonder how long the. Oh, I see him. I wonder how long the fuses are that he's. Yeah, because. Oh, yeah, he is lighting them by hand.
Yeah.
Oh, he just lit that one. Oh, here comes more.
There was somebody up on the roof on a motorcycle earlier.
Was there? I wonder if he was setting them up.
That's probably.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that little orange glow down there. Oh, there he goes. He's moving. Oh, he is lighting them up by hand.
I've seen colors. Red and white.
That's so crazy. Wow, that is so super bright. this is a pretty good fireworks show. It's over 5 minutes already.
Me is they are not going very high in the air.
I know.
From where they launch from.
You'd think that they'd be going higher.
Hell no, they ain't going 100 feet in the damn air.
Oh, that was pretty cool. Oh, those are neat. Look at it bouncing off the pavement when it lands. The sparkles.
That's what I'm talking about. He's down there getting rained on.
I hope he's got some kind of suit on. That was a long one. Oh gosh, there's more up there now.
Oh, you taking pictures while you're video?
Yeah.
I don't think my phone would do that.
Because the video is like almost 8 minutes now, so it's going to take a long time to upload.
Red, white, and boom here.
Red, white, and boom.
Like the fireworks up on the different buildings.
Oh, that's cool.
It's like it's long.
That's it.
I guess so.
Nope.
No more? Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. That one went high. That's pretty high. Look at it hitting the ground and bouncing off the parking garage. Oh, pretty.
I want to know what all she's lit in that wagon.
I have no idea. lighting something else. I still see his little glow stick down there.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes more.
Oh, those are pretty.
Oh, wow. There's the... Yeah, I gotta back up. I can't get it all. Those are the boomers. Oh, here come more. Wow.
Ooh.
Oh, pretty.
The screamers always make me think of Mary Poppins at the end of the movie.
Mm-hmm.
Where he hits one with his chimney sweep.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's still going.
Is he still lighting stuff? Oh, I see him.
Poor guy, I couldn't get him some help.
I know. Why is he...
There's three people up.
Is there 3 people? Is he walking around going, did I get them all? Did he put his stick out? I think he just put his glow stick out. I think that's it. Woohoo! Yeah!